Look, I'm not saying you're wrong, but I just don't know how they got it through that door. They'd have had to take a window out or something.
It went through the door. I sat and I watched them for hours.
I just can't see how they fit Christ the Redeemer through that door. It's massive.
Aye, maybe so. But they got him through all right. They just needed to pop him onto his side. Hey, did you see that post on Facebook? The one about the big cat sighting in Sheffield? Well, there's been sightings. A few of them reckon that it's a panther or something like. First, out on moors, and now it's been seen closer to town, like all urban like. My mate Ted, he shared one of the posts.
Shut your daft mouth, you bloody idiot. As if there's a big cat roaming round Sheffield. It'd have been all over the news. Radio Sheffield had reported something and they took some right shit. And Jean off at Arborthorne, she'd have definitely phoned in with a 2 Pennyworth, that's for sure.
I've seen them posts. It's a big black cat and it's getting closer to town. There's a website. Alright, just say it.
I've seen that website. Photos, videos too. Some of them been from round here. It's proper scary.
So you're telling me that there's a panther roaming round Sheffield and no one's been eaten and no one's been injured? Are you trying to ship me up for my walk home? Because it's not going to work.
Oh, watch out for that big cat on your way home, won't you? Might eat you for supper.
Honestly, my mate Ted's brother's mother's uncle's sister said that she'd seen it up close and it looked just like a cat, but massive, with big teeth.
All right, whatever. Look, I've got to go. I'll see you later.
All right. See you later. Be careful walking home.
Yeah,